Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this animation using Figma. But before that, I want you guys to please subscribe my channel if you are loving my contents and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So here you can see we are inside the Figma project, and first of all we will draw our frame. So let's press A on our keyboard, and from here we will select MacBook Air, as I am using MacBook Air over here. Now we have got this frame, so I want something your time is ticking, something like that I want to write. So let's press T on our keyboard and let's write something like all in caps. Great. And let's change its font size to 96. Perfect. And let's give it a weight to medium. And from here let's align it to the middle by clicking this one. Perfect. Now here we want something like a time. So for that let's press T on our keyboard again and let's give it like 00. Perfect. And let's make it something Iris Grover I'm using. You can use whatever font you want. And by pressing K on my keyboard, I will increase its size to someone like this. Perfect. Now I will select both, and by holding Shift plus A, I will put it inside an auto frame layout. Just increase it something like that. Now I will align it. Perfect. Now let's change color of this part. Let's give it a color of something like bluish. We can put it something like bluish. Something like that. And the same color goes to this part. Perfect. And let's change the ticking color to white only. The color of the background, whatever we are using, whatever you are using. Perfect. Now let's press A on our keyboard again. Let's add this again. And here we will click over here. We'll go over here. From here we will select angular. Perfect. We will angle it something like that. And the second one we will change its color to somewhat bluish. It should match with the color that we are using in the fonts, like in the text, whatever color we are using, it should resemble with it. So we took something like this. Perfect. Let's duplicate this one again. Click over here. Now let's take it something like that. Let's keep in mind it should align with the edges. Now let's click over here again. The same way I will just take it this way. Perfect. And the last, we'll select this one again and we will take it somewhat here. Perfect. Now I will select all, click over here and we'll select create component set. Perfect. Now I'll go to prototype, connect this one. After delay I will turn it to 15 milliseconds. and it will be Smart Animate. Change it to linear. Same for all. After delay 15 millisecond, and it remains the same. Same for this one. After delay 15 milliseconds, rest remain the same. And from this one to here, after delay 15 milliseconds, done. Now I will go to assets. You can see this one. I will just drag and drop it over here. Let's go to design now. Let's go to file. You can see it's inside here. Now we can just click on this one, send to back. Perfect. We'll align it. It's done. Now if we click on this one, prototype, see how cool it looks like. You can just tweak with the speed, like if you want to make it little bit slower, you can just go over here, back, click on this one, go to prototype, and from here you can just increase the duration to make it a little bit slower. Rest, you will get something like this. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe me and share with your friends who love prototyping, who wants to learn UI UX design and AI stuffs. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.